Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we are doing 10-minute, all standing, no equipment, ab workout. And it's a no repeat as well. So we have 10 different exercises that we're gonna go over just once. Each exercise will be 45 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds of break. Since everything's standing, we don't need anything today, but don't forget your water and your towel. Everything will be low impact. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and turn that notification bell on so you know when the next videos are uploaded. Okay guys, if you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 10분 동안 서서하는 반복 없는 맨몸 복근운동을 해볼 건데요. 층간소음이 없는 동작들입니다. 총 10가지 운동을 한 세트만 해볼 거고요. 각 운동은 45초 운동과 15초 휴식으로 이루어집니다. 오늘 필요하신 거는 없으시고요. 서서하는 동작들이니 대신 드실 물과 땀 닦을 타월은 잊지 마시고요. 그리고 좋아요와 구독 꼭 눌러주시고요. 알람 설정도 꼭 눌러주세요. 자, 그럼 준비되셨으면 시작해보러 갈까요? Ready everyone? Big arm circles. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hamstring curls. Curl. Knee lift. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hamstring curls. Knee lift. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Swing your arms, legs side to side. Hip openers. 3, 2, 1. Other side. 3, 2, and 1. Hands on your shoulders. Rotate. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Jog it out for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. So first exercise, we're going to start with opposite toe tap. You don't need to tap your toes. If you can't, don't force it. Tap your ankles instead. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So slightly rotate your upper body side to side. Right here. Going. Take a break. 2, left side only. We're doing a side bend to opposite knee tap. Left side only. Shoulders back and down. And here's our tiger. Right here. Hi, tiger. She's like, what are you guys doing?
You've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb? Think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, but I can't. you're trying to hide. I think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, but I cannot lie. I am so curious about your life, but you're a stranger
Really feeling that in your
trying
core.
to hide. What I see is not you, don't deny. I wanna see the rest of you.
Take a break. Okay, 6, we are doing continuous to oblique crunch. Left side. First to left, oblique crunch. Or knee to elbow. Here we go. Modify, tap, knee, tap. Modify, tap before each side. Otherwise, keep your hips stable. Feel that in your core. Okay, let's do number 7. We'll do the other side.
Louder we sing, no there is no
So
cure.
right side, curve to knee to elbow.
I don't wanna tell you that it's not real. Nothing is a fairy tale. Everything about you is so unreal. It won't be pretty when it ends. Now how could I leave with your sweet love on me? Yeah, yeah. Something about you always makes it harder. When I got my lipstick on your white shirt collar.
Take a break. Okay, 8, we are doing high knee pull. High knee pull.
Hearts and letters carved into the shore. We'll never grow old.
Kind of like marching in place. Knee
I
drive.
don't wanna tell you that it's not
Straight
real.
forward
Nothing
again.
is a fairy tale. But everything about you is
Good, right there.
so unreal. It won't be pretty when it ends.
Keep going.
Now how could I leave?
Bring your knees up high.
Sweet love on
Inhale,
me.
exhale.
Something about you always makes it harder. When I got my lipstick on your white shirt collar.
Okay. 9, plie oblique crunch. Right here, and then come up. Windy day. Feet wide.
When we should stop, we go further. Didn't even notice that it
Squeeze your
rained all
hips up.
summer. When we should stop, we go further. Didn't even notice that. Now how could I leave? With your sweet love on me? Yeah, yeah. Something about you always makes it harder. Got my lipstick on your white shirt collar.
Take a break. Last one, forward lunge with rotation. Alternate side forward lunge with rotate. And then come back to center. This is it. Left side first. Lunge, rotate. Come back to center. gonna stop the timer. Great job, everyone. Okay, shake your arms out, legs out. 3, 2, and 1. Reach up, up, and quad stretch. We did do some squats. Switch. And you're gonna slowly lean back. 2 more. And then release. Let's finish with 3 deep breaths in and out. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. 1 more time. And we are done for today. Thank you so much everyone for joining me today. That was our standing, no equipment, no repeats ab workout. Hope you enjoyed that workout. And if you have any suggestions for any great workout ideas, anything you want me to film, please write in the comment section below. So have a great day everyone. And again, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and the notification bell. Have a great day and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.